If you're thinking about upgrading your GPU, this is one of the most powerful options on the market today. The ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090OC Edition is engineered for elite performance, advanced graphics rendering, and massive workloads. With 32 GB of next-generation GDDR7 memory, this card is built to handle the most demanding games and creative software with ease. Click the Amazon link in the description to check availability and see full specifications. This card isn't just powerful, it's smartly designed. The 3.8 slot form factor houses a 4-fan cooling system that helps maintain optimal temperatures even during intense gaming or rendering sessions. Whether you're gaming in 4K, exploring virtual reality, or building detailed 3D environments, this cooling system helps keep your performance stable. Click the link in the description to learn more and check the latest offers. PCIe 5.0 support ensures lightning-fast data transfer between the GPU and the motherboard. If you're building a future-proof system or upgrading an advanced workstation, the ASUS ROG Astral RTX 5090 fits right in. With PCIe Gen 5, you're getting peak performance potential, reduced bottlenecks, and smoother multitasking. Click the Amazon link in the description to check for full compatibility and see what's in stock now. Connectivity is also a major strength. The card features 2 HDMI 2.1B ports and 3 DisplayPort 2.1A outputs. This allows support for multiple high refresh rate monitors or ultra-wide display setups, making it ideal for both immersive gaming and professional editing tasks. If you're planning a triple monitor workstation or a high frame rate gaming rig, this setup gives you the flexibility you need. Click the Amazon link to explore all connection details and current availability. Performance-wise, this card is designed for high-resolution gaming, real-time ray tracing, and advanced AI enhancements. With NVIDIA's latest architecture under the hood, you're getting support for features like DLSS, real-time path tracing, and accelerated creative workflows. That means higher frame rates, smoother visuals, and faster rendering when it matters. Click the Amazon link in the description to view more benchmarks and compare it with other options. The ROG Astral design isn't just about power, it's about presence. The brushed finish, bold branding, and robust heat-sink design all contribute to a professional and aggressive aesthetic that fits right into premium builds. If visual impact matters as much as performance, this card delivers on both fronts. Click the link in the description to see how it fits into your build style and explore configurations. ASUS has a strong reputation for tuning and reliability, and the ROG Astral RTX 5090OC Edition lives up to that standard. With overclocking support, thermal monitoring, and control through ASUS software, you can push this card to match your performance goals while keeping temperatures in check. Click the Amazon link in the description to read verified user feedback and full technical specs. Whether you're building a new high-performance gaming system or upgrading a creative workstation, the ASUS ROG Astral GeForce RTX 5090OC Edition is a top-tier choice. It's built for speed, reliability, and next-gen graphics performance. Click the Amazon link in the description to check availability, explore current offers, and see if it's the right GPU for your next upgrade. Let me know if you'd like the same treatment for another GPU or product.